All right, going to be doing a video now on CBIS. Everybody's like, well, what's going on? What's going on here? What is up? All right, so as I originally said, for all those people that do watch this, and I mean, there's tons of people that, a lot of feedback from the videos. We really appreciate that. So we can see what's going on here, right? You guys get up to this resistance level. You break through here. Obviously, you fell through. The gap ups are a little bit of a gap right there. It's not that big of a deal. This one right here completely destroyed that bounce, that gap up. But again, if you follow this one, I definitely encourage you to check out that video. Penny stock gap ups don't do this. That video right there will definitely teach you a lot. So if we go back here, let me remove that resistance line. Let's take a peek at what I said previously. This is one of the most requested video charts that I get all the time. So I'm going to spend a few extra minutes here on the analysis of this. So over here on the 6th, right here, I said 1196, hold for a day or two, pulling down to the 10-day simple moving average. If buying picks up, it will move from there. Otherwise, the 20-day simple moving average. Well, you know, things are wrong. I was wrong. I was just a little late. Okay. Evidently, yeah, you guys had that day. 2 days bounce off of that. But it ended up pulling down to exactly where I thought it was going to happen here. I thought this candle was going to be back 2 days, but it still tapped that 20-day simple moving average just like I thought it would. So you guys came down, tapped that 20-day simple moving average just a day late. Yesterday was the last time that we looked at this one. Watch for buying to push you past it 1277. Next resistance 2014 at 1423, and that was going to be up here. And you guys just couldn't do it. All right, so you guys, this level right here seems to be pretty thick on this one. I can actually pop that right there. That's going to give you guys that idea. So that 13-cent mark is going to be a hard level for you to get through. Evidently, you can see my notes here at the 1277, pretty close, but you know, that 13 area seems to be that one that just topped out here. Yesterday, it was a little bit lower. That's why I had that at 1277. But, you know, it's basically referring itself off of this high over here. You know, people might have got nervous right here buying. They're selling, whatever the case might be, right? And then I said if buying slows, could pull to 1102 to 1030. And your low was today was 1060. Dead center between those two. All right, going to pop from there, it's going to be possible. But like I said, I mean, you guys, all the people that watch these, you know, CBIS videos that we do, we've been pretty dead on with this one as far as, you know, calling it on that. What you're going to see from here now, we can throw up a support line right here at that 10-day simple moving average. You try to get through here, rejected off of it, got through here, rejected off of it. What's going to happen here? Well, it's going to basically come down to that buying pressure. If tomorrow morning, you guys, you know, at the open, a lot of people say, oh, I'm going to buy at the open. I'm going to buy at the open. I'm going to buy at the open. I can't wait for the market to open. No, it's really not. I mean, that's a rookie move, but we've all been there. You got to learn. I've learned my fair share back in the day. With that being said, you're gonna be watching what happens. If this doesn't hold where you're at now, you could end up going down to the 20-day simple moving average. Again, it's gonna be down there at the 1060 mark. And you guys, I mean, literally tap that dead on. So 1161. Watch will need to hold. All right, I'm going to put this. All right, I'm going to put 1060-ish because obviously this is going to move up, okay? So maybe by then it could be about 260, 70. It's all on how that's going to come up, okay? Once this moves up throughout the days, I mean, your 20-day simple moving average, so that's going to move up a little bit, obviously. So you might end up pulling down to there and then watch for a bounce off of this in. All right, so you're going to watch for a bounce then off that 20-day simple moving average. Then once you guys get down to that level, as I've mentioned multiple times, I mean, that's going to be a big time moving average, or what word am I looking? I'm looking for. It's going to be a big area for the stock. Okay, that whole 20-day simple moving average. That's what I meant to say. But if you look over here, if I zoom out, sorry, I'm just making sure that I cover every potential point for you guys, because I get this one requested all the time, right here. Look at that 20-day simple moving average. This is back when it first started, and right there around that time that we first started looking into this one, because that buzz was picking up. Yeah, it was right there in that area is when we first started watching this. So obviously, but either way, the 20-day simple moving average, look at, you go up off of it, boom, you pull back down to it, boom, you pull it back down to it. You're going to have it, boom, bounce off of that. Very possible. Keep this one on your radar. CBIS, again, if you guys follow the stock, I encourage you to slam that subscribe button, hit that like, and get this video out there to all other CBIS investors. Trying to do what we can to get the word out on the technical analysis and how everything works. Definitely avoid any gaps. You guys know the deal. If there's any stocks that you would like to request or you'd like to see this one again, head over to investorshangout.com/live. And you can do so there, letting us know what stocks you want to see us cover. And we'll be sure to add it on the list for the next show. Again, that's CBIS, investorshangout.com.